Hey everybody, and welcome back. It is time to announce the winner of this awesome 5K giveaway. Once again, I just want to thank all of you who have subscribed to and are supporting the channel. And now it is time to take a look at who our winner will be. For this contest, you did have the chance of up to 3 entries. If you had watched the video all the way to the end, I did give you a chance for some bonus questions. Some of you do have 3 entries, while some only have 2, and there are a few of you that only have 1. Nonetheless, you have been entered for this awesome prize. We're going to take a look right now at all of the names. The email confirmation that you received from me at DeeVine DeeZine would have told you how many entries you had. If you did not receive a confirmation email, that means that your email was never received. Once we get to the end of this list, we will hit that randomize button, and whoever comes out on top as number 1 will be our winner. So let's go ahead and see who it is. And our winner is Tammy Dameron. Congratulations, Tammy. You are the winner of this awesome 5K giveaway. I will be contacting you via email. Thank you everyone for watching. We will see you soon.